Hello everyone, you're welcome to Auntie Onyinye's channel. Today we shall be talking about how to add numbers to number 8. So here's my strategy of adding in 8s. So here we go. 8 is always looking for 2 just to make 10. You can see those happy 2, 4, 6, 8 eggs dancing, and then there are these 2 in the kitchen. As soon as they met, they were able to make that yummy food there. 8 is always looking for 2 just to make 10. Okay, here's a short clip I put together with a song. I just wanted to listen to this and then we proceed. Hello, you are welcome to my strategy of counting with number 8 or adding numbers to 8. Okay, as usual, you know, I sing a lot so that that will make you remember them. Well, I've already programmed this, so if you need this worksheet, subscribe to my channel, then send me an email. I'll leave my email address underneath this video, and then I will send you the worksheet. But I need you to learn how to do it first of all before you go ahead. So let's go. 8 likes to color 2 numbers. 8 likes to color 2 numbers. 8 likes to color 2 numbers just to make 10. Then it will add the remaining ones. Then it will count the remaining ones. Then it will count the remaining ones and put it in the tummy. 8 likes to color 2 numbers. 8 likes to color 2 numbers. 8 likes to color 2 numbers just to make 10. 8 likes to color 2 numbers. 8 likes to color 2 numbers. 8 likes to color 2 numbers just to make 10. Then it will count the remaining ones. Then it will count the remaining ones. Then it will count the remaining ones and put it in the tummy. That's what we call superimposition. So here we now have 13. It's as simple as that. So watch me do the rest, okay? So let's go to this. We want to repeat what we did just now. So let's go. We have 8. It likes to color 2 numbers, and then we want to find out the remaining ones. Here we go. Okay, and then, of course, we will not write it here. Let's go. 8 plus 2 equals 10. All right, so here also we go. We have a 1 first, and then for 10, remember, it's already programmed. So we're going to type just little letter L. Okay, that's what the program works with. So we type the little letter L, and we have this, and then here we have our 13. Yay! So let's do the next one. It likes to color 2 numbers, and then it chooses to color 2 blue. And let's see what we have left. We have 1, we have 2. Yeah. So let's write our sum. 8 plus 2 equals 10. And then like before, we write out 1 first. What are we superimposing? We're superimposing 2, and K is programmed for 2. So I just write my little k, and I have it there. And this is what I have, 12. Okay, let's go to the next one. So we go to the next page. Okay, here we're adding 8 and 6. So let's go. So we have our 8. Chooses to color yellow this time. Okay, let's see it's colored. It's coloring to yellow stuff. And then let's see how many we have left. We have 1, we have 2, we have 3, we have 4. So that means we're superimposing 4 over 10, right? So let's write our statement. 8 plus 2 equals 10. Okay, it's time for superimposition. So we go here. So we have our 1 first. And over here, what number has 4 superimposed? That's m. Okay, and when you type you get 4 superimposed. And then we have it here, that makes 14. So let's go to the next one. Let's see what 8 is going to do. 8 chooses this time to color 2 green stars. So let's go. Two green stars. All right. And then let's see what we have left. We have 1, we have 2, we have 3, we have 4, we have 5, we have 6. Wow. So that means we shall be superimposing 6, right? But let's write the statement. So let's go 8 plus 2 equals 10. Okay, now it's time to superimpose. Let's go. 1. What are we superimposing? 6. And what is that? What letter is that? Okay, that's orange or. So just type out orange or. Make sure your caps lock is not on. So we go and then we have it. And then we just put it here. Let's go. 1 and 6. 16. Wow. So let's go to the next one. This time 8 is adding 9. So 8 plus 9. So let's go. All right. So 8 has chosen this to color 2. And then let's see what we have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 was already there waiting for us. So we have 7. Good. Okay. All right. So it's time to superimpose. So let's go. Let's write the statement. 8 plus 2 equals 10. So we have our 10. What do we have here? Left 7. So we shall be superimposing 7, right? So we write our 1 first. And to superimpose 7, we have P. Okay, so let's do that. Let's type P. And there we go. And we have 17. Interesting, right? Okay, so let's see what we have next. 8 is about to do another one. 8 this time chooses green. Okay, so let's color green. Good. And then let's see what's left. We have 1, we have 2, we have 3, and we have 4. So that means we shall be superimposing 4 over 10. So let's write the statement first. So we have 8 plus 2 equals 10. So that means we have 1 first. And what are we superimposing? 4. And to do that is all right, so we go, here we go, and then we write 14. That's good. So let's go to the next one. Now we're adding 3 to 8. So let's see what happens here. Let's go, come on. Okay, 8 has chosen pink this time, so let's color pink. Very good, just to make 8. And what do we have left? Just 1. So let's go. Let's have our 8 plus 2 equals 10. So as usual, 1 first. And what are we superimposing? We are superimposing 1. And to do that, all we need is to type J. Okay, that's how I programmed it. And here is my 1. So what do we have? 11. Good. So let's go to the next one. 8 has no choice but to just choose the only 2 there. And we're coloring it gray. So we see we're learning our colors as well as adding our numbers. So good, let's do the statement here. We have our 8 again plus 2. 8 plus 2 equals 10. 8 likes to color 2 numbers. 8 likes to color 2 numbers. 8 likes to color 2 numbers just to make 10. All right, so let's have our 10 this time. And for just a 0, without superimposing anything, I just type E. Inky sound E. And there we go. And here we have our 10. Interesting, right? Are you enjoying the exercise? Okay, let's go to the next one. This time, 8 is going to add 7, or 7 adds 8. Whichever way, let's see how it goes. 8 likes to color 2 numbers. So this time we're coloring blue. Let's see what we have left. 1, we have 2, we have 3, we have 4, and we have 5. What does that tell you? That's why the Superman is there, because we're ready to superimpose 5. Okay, let's have our statement. So let's go 8 plus 2 equals 10. So here we go. Have our first one here. What are we superimposing? 5, and that's Okay, and that gives us 15. If you like this, don't worry, just send me an email. 8 plus 2 equals 10. All right, so let's go. So here we have 1 first, and we're going to write 2. Okay, and then we have the total of 12. Okay, so let's go to the next page. Now we're just climbing a staircase. Remember, we said in class, anytime you're adding in 1, just imagine that you're just climbing one staircase. So 8 in my head, and I climb the next staircase, I'm just going to have 9. So my answer is 9. So it's not up to 2 to give me 10. 8 plus 0. Look at this guy blowing and blowing. 0 means nothing. So as much as you blow and as many times as you blow air, you can't add anything to 8. It will remain 8. So 8 plus 0 is 8. And there we go. So our answer is 8.